PDFs are supposed to be boring, just text and maybe some image, but right now, that same boring file is running Tetris, playing Doom, and even booting an entire operating system inside a document. So if a PDF can secretly become a video game or an operating system, what else are you missing every time you open one? I'm about to show you exactly how this works. I open up Brave, paste in a link, and this is just a PDF. That's Tetris sitting inside one. I hit the arrows and blocks slide left and they slide right. I press the arrow down and they drop instantly. You can even spin one midair right before it locks in. It is clunky, it's a little laggy, but it works. And that's the whole point. Nobody needed Tetris in a PDF. Watch this, I'm gonna lose on purpose. Because losing is part of the game too. The blocks stack up, they hit the top, and game over. A PDF just told me I lost at Tetris. And the reason it does is because PDFs can run JavaScript. Real code, not just text and images. So people, of course, abuse that hidden coding ability to build entire programs, like games and even operating systems that run inside the file itself. So, if a PDF can run a falling block puzzle game, someone out there looked at that and thought, okay, but can it run Doom? New tab, paste the link, and there it is. The actual Doom menu sitting in my browser inside a document. See this number down here? That's my frame rate right now in a PDF. Down here, there's a little box that says type here for input. That's how Doom gets my keyboard input. I hit new game, pick my episode, and somehow this PDF even has difficulty settings. Now let's see if it actually plays. And it actually does. I can run around the map and shoot this battle right here. Boom. It even takes a little bit of my health with it. And if I hold shift while moving, I sprint. A document is dodging monsters faster than I can process that sentence. Alright, Tetris was cute, Doom was insane, but neither of them prepared me for what's coming next. New tab, and I paste the Linux PDF link in. And now we wait. It takes nearly a minute to boot, which sounds ridiculous for Linux until you remember this is all happening inside a PDF. And it's up, a real terminal, a blinking cursor just waiting for me to type something. So, what's actually inside this thing? I type one command, busybox. And it dumps out a huge list of everything this tiny Linux can do. No more guessing, cause now I know exactly what tools I've got. But here's the real question. Can it actually save files? Let's find out. I type this command which creates an empty text file called test. To prove it, I run ls and there it is. This tiny Linux even comes with Vim. So I open the file I just made with this command. And now I'm editing a text file inside a terminal, inside Linux, inside a PDF. So here's where we ended up. A puzzle game, a shooter, and an entire operating system, all hiding behind the most boring file extension on the internet. PDF was never supposed to do any of this, but someone somewhere decided that's bullshit. So next time someone emails you a PDF, maybe remember that the most boring file format on your computer can secretly become an operating system. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, take care, stay hydrated, and bye bye.